The journey to your first 1 lakh rupees. Most people don't understand this. Your first 1 lakh rupees is not just a number. It's a shift in identity. It's the moment your financial fear breaks for the first time. Because when you hit your first 1 lakh, you stop doubting yourself. You stop feeling small. You stop thinking, wealth is not for me. You finally realize, I can build my own future. And that moment, it stays with you forever. Today, I'm going to take you on the journey to that moment. A simple, practical, beginner-friendly roadmap to build your first 1 lakh rupees, even if you're starting from zero, even if you feel lost, even if money scares you right now. This is the roadmap I wish someone gave me when I started. Today, it's yours. Let's begin. I'll break down the video into step-by-step for better understanding. Step 1. Build the habits that make you rich. Because wealth doesn't start with money. It starts with behavior. People think they need a big salary to get rich. No, you need discipline. You need control. You need consistency. You need a system that protects you from your own impulses. The 4 most important rule to begin, the 10% rule, that pay yourself first. Before you pay rent, bills, EMI, subscriptions, you pay yourself. The moment money enters your account, move 10% into a separate savings or investment account. No thinking, no excuses, just respect for your future self. And once you stabilize, push it to 15%, then 20%. Your future deserves that effort. Automate everything. Don't rely on motivation. Motivation dies. Automation doesn't. Set auto debits for your SIP. Let the bank do the work. Your only job is to stay consistent. Close your money leaks. It's not the big spends that destroy your wealth. It's the small, invisible leaks. Random shopping, subscriptions you forgot, food delivery cravings. Close those leaks. The money you save will shock you. This is where the journey begins. Not with crores, but with tiny decisions that compound into your first 1 lakh rupees. Step 2. Where to invest as a beginner. Remove the confusion. Keep it simple. You don't need 10 funds. You don't need to time the market. You don't need to trade. You need only simple method. Put your money in index funds, Nifty 50 or Sensex. Low cost, low stress, high growth over the long term. Perfect for beginners. 1 good equity mutual fund, SIP. Just 1 or 2 funds. That's it. Consistency matters more than variety. Emergency fund, your safety net. Before building wealth, protect your wealth. Keep aside 3 to 6 months of expenses in a savings account or liquid fund for emergency. Think of it as your financial seatbelt. You don't appreciate it until you need it. Step 3. A real simple plan. To hit 1 lakh rupees, let's get practical. Ignore the noise. Focus on your pace. Here's how your first 1 lakh rupees is built. Scenario A. You save 2,000 rupees per month. Yearly investment 24,000 rupees. With approximately 12.5% returns, approximately 27,000 rupees. Time to 1 lakh rupees will take 3 to 4 years. Slow? Maybe. But steady beats smart. Every single time. Scenario B. You save 5,000 rupees per month. Yearly investment 60,000 rupees. With approximately 12.5% returns, 67,000 rupees. Time to 1 lakh rupees, 18 to 20 months. The pace most beginners love. Scenario C. You save 10,000 rupees per month. You hit your first 1 lakh rupees in 10 to 12 months. Congratulations. Choose your lane and stay in it and keep investing. Do not worry what your friends or neighbor do. Step 4. The golden rules during market falls. This is where real wealth is built. Most beginners panic during market dips. They think, oh no, my money is disappearing. My portfolio is in red. But the truth? This is the moment the wealthy quietly accumulate and accelerate. When the market falls, your SIP buys more units. This is the secret no one tells beginners. When markets drop, your same 500 rupees, 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees buys more units at cheaper prices. That's not a loss. That's a discount which can appreciate quickly when the market recovered. This is not the time to panic. This is the time to accumulate more and build. If you have extra money during a dip, invest it. You got 1,000 rupees extra, 2,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Make a one-time lump sum investment into your existing mutual fund. Even small amounts during a dip turn into powerful returns later. Because when the market rises again, those extra units multiply your wealth faster than you expect. The 3 rules of market cycles for beginners. Rule 1. When markets are high, stay calm, stay invested. No FOMO or fear of missing out, no overconfidence. Rule 2. When markets are normal, stay consistent. This is your regular wealth building zone. Rule 3. When markets fall, build faster if you can. Accumulate during market falls, accelerate your wealth faster. Millionaires are created during dips, not during bull runs. Only the wise invest when the world looks scary. That is the difference between a beginner and a wealth builder. One of Warren Buffett's famous quote almost everyone has heard somewhere: "Be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy," has a deeper truth than the sound of it. Step 5. Mistake that will slow you down. Let's prevent the common traps. Trading without knowledge. You won't win, not at the start. So avoid market speculation, noise and tips from unreliable sources. Investing without an emergency fund. One unexpected hospital bill can destroy years of discipline. So make sure to keep aside your emergency fund. Stopping SIP. If you stop your SIP when the market falls, you lose out the biggest advantage of rupees cost averaging available to you. Trying to copy others. Your income, your goals, your responsibilities, your journey is unique. Do not follow or copy anyone blindly. Remember your friends or your neighbor, their journey and the style of investment and risk-reward appetite is different from that of yours. Listen to me. If right now you feel behind or confused or scared of money, you're not alone. Everyone who built wealth started exactly where you are, with their first 100 rupees, their first 500 rupees, their first 1,000 rupees. Your first 1 lakh rupees is not the end. It's the beginning. The moment your confidence wakes up. The moment your financial life takes shape. The moment you realize, if I can build 1 lakh rupees, it's given you the motivation and the confidence I can build anything. Not overnight, not magically off course, but with discipline, with systems, and with belief. Your journey starts today with this roadmap, 1 step at a time, 1 month at a time. Your first 1 lakh rupees is waiting, and you are closer to your goal than you think. This is Finance for the Street, and this is your journey to start building your wealth to a new beginning. If this video gave you clarity, do consider subscribing to the channel before you go. It really motivates me to make more content for you. Thank you and happy investing.